Dance magic remote. Oh, there are still a few buttons I haven't tried yet, so...
Hi, Bananas. Oh, hi there. It's me, Stanley. Well, what are you doing, Bananas?
Nothing. I'm doing nothing yet.
Yet? Hey, what's that? Is that Dan's magic remote? Oh, you need to stop playing with that, Bananas. Oh, here, give it to me. I'll take it and we'll put it away. Okay, good. Come here. Come. Oh no! Cool! Look what happened! We both turned different colors! Oh, here. I'll get the remote. You try to figure out what colors we are. Okay.
Looks like we'll need your help. First, let's figure out what color I am. Can you tell me what color I am now? It's not red or blue. Did you say purple? Yes, that's what I am. I am the color purple. Hey, Stanley, we figured it out. I'm purple. What are you?
Great job, Bananas. Well, now you can help me. What color am I? I think it starts with the letter P. It's a lighter shade of red. Whoa! What did you say? Did you say pink? Yes, that's the color I am. I am the color pink. Great job. Okay, well, let me try to figure this out. If I press... Oh, okay. Here it goes, Bananas. Okay, looks like we are really close.
It looks like we have each other's colors.
Yep. Can you tell us what color we each are? Start with me. What color am I now? Did you say brown? Yes, I am the color brown.
Oh, okay, now me. Can you tell me what color I am? Well, it rhymes with the color... Oh, I don't think it rhymes with anything. Oh, what color is it? Oh, orange! Yes, I am the color orange! You know, like an orange! Yeah!
Great analogy, Bananas. Okay, well, here it goes.
Yay! I'm myself again!
Yes, me too. Now, seriously, I'm going to put this away. Can you please not play with it anymore, Bananas?
I promise to only play with it on days that end with Y.
Oh, let's go. Okay, bye for now. Mwah! Keep smiling.
Bye!